one evening in India, after this Ganoderma session, there's one couple come to see me. There's one very rich businessman. He come to see me, bring along the wife. And he told me that the wife already in the 4th stage of cancer. And doctor give her wife 2 months to go. It means already terminal, and the doctor also refused to do anything to the wife. Then the husband told me, Dr. Lim, can you give me some advice on cancer, on my wife? Okay. I will follow exactly your advice, no? You ask me to take anything, I will follow strictly your advice. But can you guarantee me that you kill all the cancer cells? So when people are asking you this question, how do you answer? If you say you can kill all the cancer cells, you'll be in jail, because we are not doctors to do all these things. If you say that you do not kill the cancer cell, then they don't buy the product from you. Okay? You don't answer this question. This is a wrong question, I asked him back, Now, what do you want me to do? Okay. You want me to kill all the cancer cells in your wife's body, or you want me to let your wife lead a normal life? Which one is more important? To live normally is more important, or to kill all the cancer cells? So he is hesitating, Then I asked him the second question. Do we have cancer cells inside our body? Yes or no? Every of us are having cancer cells inside the body. We have so many billions of cells in the body, There are some mutations. So there are, and some estimate, there are about 3,000 to 4,000 cancer cells in everybody's body. That's why cancer is not a problem. The only problem is that when it affects your day-to-day life, then it is a problem. But can you kill the cancer or not? Can you remove the cancer or not? Okay, can you solve the problem by removing the cancer? This thing. Because the body is already not in a balanced state. Okay, then eventually he agreed that to lead a normal life is better than this thing. So I told the wife, I said, madam, you listen to me, okay? You forget about cancer, I told you. You don't think about cancer, okay? So you go home, you eat anything you want to eat, you drink anything you want to drink, okay? Then you go for megadosis. Take a lot of this thing to remove all the toxins from the body, to balance it back. Then you leave everything to God. Whether to live or not to live is not our worry, Okay, we cannot bargain. Oh, let me live 100 years, 200 years. No, these are something that is non-negotiable. Okay, leave it as it is. I say you. When she's seeing me, the face is pale, the hand is shaking, So when I told him, you just live normally, forget about cancer. Suddenly, the face become some color turn back, So she started to smile. I told her, don't think about cancer. You go back, you eat normally, you drink normally, okay? You sleep normally, you enjoy your life. Take this thing. So better is 2 months, better 2 years, better 20 years. You don't worry about that. After about 3 months or about 6 months, I think. Okay, the couple come back, I cannot recognize them anymore. Because the wife become looking very healthy, Oh, then the husband told me, hey, your product is very good, Now we feel very happy. She live normally now, normal life there. But he said, we still have a very small problem, What is the small problem? He said, there are still some small cancer cell inside the body. I told him, don't worry about that, This thing better, there's one small cancer cell, or there's 10 cancer cells. It's none of our concern. Forget about it. So the next year, I think a few years they are meeting me, but now I think it should be okay, this thing. That's why, remember, we do not treat cancer. We do not treat that. Can you treat diabetes? You can never treat diabetes, because diabetes is not a problem. When you buy a car, okay, there is something wrong with the car, there is a blinking light in the car. Can you treat the problem of the car by throwing the light away? Cannot. You must change the engine. You must repair the engine. A person comes with a diabetes. That is a blinking light, Something wrong with the body. You should never treat diabetes. And you cannot treat diabetes, You treat the body. How to treat the body? Start with 1 teaspoon. Okay? Then go for 2 teaspoons. Then go for 3 teaspoons a day. Then maintain for some time. So the time during the detoxification, a lot of toxin coming out from the body. Don't get worried. Okay, sometimes the urine will turn turbid. The urine will turn smelly. Okay, sometimes the stool also very distinct. Sometimes the sweat is also come out with a yellow sweat, Also very smelly. Don't worry about all these things. Continue taking. So after the the toxins is removed, it balance back, then everything will be okay. So Gigi, so I hope I have answered the question. So thank you very much.